What's up, guys? Caleb here at the Mad Boats and Shelby coming to y'all with the announcement of the weekend sale. It started today at 5 o'clock. It's going to be running all the way through Sunday. We are going to be doing a 50% off batteries with a free bottle of Oasis Nectar, long haul, or checkered flag juice with the purchase of any sub-ohm setup. So, perfect time to come in if you're looking for a new setup. You know, someone that's looking to get into vaping or anything. Now's the time because you get the 50% off batteries and a free bottle of juice with any purchase of a sub-ohm setup. So, can't beat that deal. Perfect opportunity if you know a gift, birthday, Christmas is coming up in the future. It's right around the corner, guys. So, if you're looking to get an early Christmas present for someone that you're trying to get to quit smoking, know someone that might be interested in starting vaping to quit smoking, or picking it up as a hobby, definitely worth checking out. Also going to be doing 10% off of all of our CBD products. That's the soft gel capsules, the vape drip, the oil, body butter, dog treats, the works. So come in, check that out, take advantage of the sale while it's still going. Look forward to seeing you guys. Stay safe.